unboxing. So everyone's videos on these unboxings are like super crisp and clear and bright, and I have done my fair share of unboxing iPhones like that, but it is, what time is it? It is 10:10 p.m. and I don't want to wait until tomorrow morning to unbox this because I have been waiting for like 3 weeks for this phone because I decided to order it on the day where everyone, like on the day that it was available in stores, or like the day that people got it for the first time, and my boyfriend got his. And I was so jealous. I was like, I want one too now. So I ended up upgrading. I do the Apple trade-in program. I'm a part of the Apple trade-in program, so I just upgraded that way, and I'm going to be returning my other iPhone. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so I'm going to be returning this one as soon as I set my new one up. This is my favorite part of unboxing this. It's just like the box. Why is this so satisfying? I got the gold one. I haven't gotten one of the gold iPhones in a while. My current one is the silver one, or the white. It's silver, right? Or white? I don't even know. Which in this lighting you can't even tell. But oh my god, look at the difference. I don't know why I'm nervous to take it out of the box. Just take it out of the box. Ooh. So in the box this time around, you're only getting like the little cable wire to charge and like the little sticker. Ooh, I have to put a screen protector on here immediately just to compare. This is my old phone and it's slightly smaller. The new one feels a tiny bit heavier, and there we go. So this is the new one, this is the older one. This is the 11, this is the 12. But as you can see, even the camera things are a little bit bigger on the new one. I don't know what that means. I'm not a tech review. I'm just like unboxing it because I feel like it's kind of become a tradition on my channel. When I get a new iPhone, I do unbox it with you guys. I'm actually gonna get ready for bed and set up my new iPhone, and I will come back in the morning and chat with you guys. That way you guys can actually see it in better lighting, because like I said, it's super late at night and I'm tired. But tomorrow morning I'll show you guys how it looks. I'll show you guys my favorite cases, because I have a brand that I always order cases from whenever I get a new iPhone, and the cases are super cute and really protective. I wanted to show you guys my phone in the daylight, because when I was trying to film it, it was all dark, and I was like, they're gonna get mad at me for filming it in the dark, but I just wanted it to be like vibey, you know? I ended up getting the gold one, and she's just so pretty. I haven't gotten one of the gold iPhones in so long. I had the silver one last time. I think it was silver. To say the iPhone 11. I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I think I got the one that's 256 gigs. The last time I had gotten the one that was like 500. I remember when I got the 11 Pro Max, I needed to get a case on it immediately because it was kind of slippery, and because the edges were rounder, I felt like it was hard to grip, and I was scared I was going to drop it. But this one is really comfortable if you're one of those people that doesn't like to put a case on your phone. It is super comfortable to hold, and I like how the back feels too. It's like smooth. And I got this wallpaper from Pinterest. I will try to link it for you guys. I always just randomly go on Pinterest, and whatever like kind of mood or color scheme I'm going for, I'll just type in. I think I typed in dreamy aesthetic, and this is one of the photos that came up, so I just saved it to my phone. So when I ordered the phone, I also immediately ordered one of the Apple cases. This is one of their silicone cases. This is the color plum, I believe. I really do like the Apple cases, and you know how this has MagSafe, which is like that magnetic circle thing. Look at how cool. So it recognizes that it's a MagSafe case, and the color, so I don't know if you guys heard the little ping, and then like the purple plum kind of matching. I don't know, I'm going to guess that it does that depending on what color case you got from Apple, because I have the plum one and the circle was plum. And then I just found out this year that the Apple cases come with a 1-year warranty. So if it gets damaged, if it rips a little within that year, you can just go to Apple and they'll give you a brand new case, which is really cool. So I'm glad that I found that out, because these cases are a bit expensive. One of my favorite brands, Velvet Caviar, they ended up sending me some new cases, which I was so excited for because this is the other brand that I always buy my phone cases from because they're really cute and they're super protective. So I'm gonna show you the cases they sent me. This is this like polka dotted animal print kind of case. I really like this one. I can already tell I'm gonna be using this one quite a lot. And they also sent me a matching phone grip for this case. I don't think I'm gonna be putting it on just yet because I kind of like how the phone feels like this. I don't really feel like I'm having trouble with it. But if you do like adding a phone grip, a lot of the phone cases that they sell come with matching, well, you can purchase matching phone grips, which I thought was really cute. This one is another favorite of mine because I just love the tie-dye effect and it's so colorful and pretty. Oh my God, I actually had this exact same case for my other phone and I love it. And how appropriate is this case for 2020? I really like how the clear case looks. And this one just gave me evil eye vibes, and you guys know I'm obsessed with the evil eye. I actually have on my new evil eye necklace today. You guys have to see this. This is an opal evil eye and it's so pretty. And this is from my jewelry line, Sunday Energy. Just had to throw a little plug in for myself. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys that the tie-dye case also has a little matching phone grip if you wanted to add it. This is it for this video. I just wanted to kind of unbox the phone with you guys, show you my new phone accessories, because you guys always want me to share my phone cases, probably because I have a little bit of a problem when it comes to phone cases. I love switching them up depending. I use them as accessories. I love switching them up depending on what I'm wearing or what my mood is. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.